boiler dust collector is an important environmental protection equipment to improve environmental pollution and provide air quality. Common boiler dust collectors are wet dust collector, multi-tube dust collector, bag dust collector, etc. EPCB will give you priority to equip you with multi-tube dust collectors and wet dust collectors that are cheaper and can meet the emission requirements. The multi-tube dust collector has a good dust removal effect, will not block, and is convenient for dust removal. FRP dust collector can effectively desulfurize and denitrify. The content of nitrogen and sulfur oxides in the exhaust gas is effectively reduced. Pocket stone water film dust collector is made of natural granite. It is acid resistant, anti-corrosion, wear resistant and has a long service life. The dust removal efficiency can reach more than 98. If you have high emission requirements, we can equip you with bag filter and flame arresters. The bag dust collector is a dry dust filter device. It is suitable for capturing fine, dry, non-fibrous dust. The dust removal effect is better, the structure is simple, and the maintenance is convenient. No matter which dust collector you choose, EPCB will provide the most professional advice according to your needs.